And for our second testimony, if you ask me, I would always see this person. See this person attend the events in the office. Not only attends, she would always invite people inside the office. Little did I know about her story and her testimony, why she's doing Reway in the first place. Why? Because I believe she started doing Reway. It's because when she found out that there is also a business side inside this company, she started doing. But beforehand, she has a testimony wherein I'd say not only a testimony of herself, but also a testimony with her wife. I mean, her husband. Testimony nilang mag-asawa. So now if you ask me, these kinds of testimonies really touches my heart. Why? Because our very most, the people that we are most concerned of is the people that is within our family. Tama po ba? Yung mga tao na nasa loob ng family natin, super concerned natin. And do you guys agree with me if I tell you guys that when one family member is sick, yung buong pamilya nagkakaroon din ng sakit? Naniniwala ba? Yes, am I right? Not because the disease is contagious, but the moment you find out that this family member is sick, you also start to feel the stress that this person is feeling. Am I right? So now, this person, they started doing Reway. When she started doing Reway, she's only not doing this not just for herself, but definitely for the family as well. So I hope you guys listen very closely to what our next testimony has to share. But before that, I would like to ask one more time. Okay pa ba? Excited pa ba lahat? Yes! Kasi pa ba lahat? Yes! Very good. So, please help me welcome up on stage our next product testimony sharer, Miss Virgie Muerto. Can we give her a big warm round of applause?
So, good evening, Reway Manila. Good evening. I'm Virgie Muerto. I'm 59 years old from Marikina City. So, I just joined Reway way back 2019. As what Sir John said, it's because of the business side and it's because of the, when I joined Reway, thanks God because I don't have any health condition. So, the person who invited me is my church mate. He just told me, sis, you have to try this product because there's a reverse aging. So, yun yung nagdaan sa akin, yung first na, yung reverse aging because before po, I am a real estate broker. So, as you well know, as a real estate broker, you need to be always presentable on the client. So, yun lang po yung nag-ano sa akin. And then, so after joining, and then we took the product, and then because of the reverse aging only. That's all. And then when I entered the Reway, so I learned the business side of the Reway. I always attended all the events, all the events and all the learnings. So I have to learn everything about the Reway. And then while taking the product, it was really good because I felt changes in my body. The energy level. So, yung energy level ko po, grabe talaga. Kahit na maghapon ako sa client, nagkausap ng mga kliyente, ang taas na energy level ko. And then, yung sa yung sa reverse aging, yun po. And then, nung dumating po yung 2021, pandemic po yun. So, I experienced that the product was good because yung ako po, nagkaroon po ako ng head injury. Yung aking ulo po, nauntog sa spiral stair ng hagdan namin. And then that time, siyempre, pandemic po, mahirap mag-ano sa hospital. Dahil nga, pagka pumunta sa mga hospital, ang mga puro mga may COVID. So, what we did with my husband, I tried the portier placenta. Ginupit po namin yung dulo and then tinata ko yung sa head ko. So, praying that it will be okay, na yung may stop po yung bleeding. And then, all of a sudden po, after that, yun nga po, hindi na ako na-confine sa hospital, hindi na ako nadala kasi nga po pandemic, wala kami mapuntang hospital. So nag-try kami, pinatak lang po sa ulo ko yung product, and then the bleeding stopped, and then I just continued to take the product. And then ito po yung nangyari sa amin, noong 2023 naman po. My husband suffered a ruptured brain aneurysm, wherein the ruptured brain aneurysm is a serious and life-threatening medical condition. So when he suffered ruptured brain aneurysm, of course, he had to underwent a surgical clipping. Kasi nga po, naputukan na siya. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, the only cause of the ruptured brain aneurysm is because of the lifestyle. He didn't have any maintenance that time, but it's because of the lifestyle. Because we always in BGC, doon po kami nagdi-dinner, pagkain sa labas, yung nga po, mga fast food, and then almost every day po, nasa labas kami. So, yun lang po yung naging cause, lifestyle namin na yun, siyempre, ang Pilipino, only rice, nakatatlong cup of rice po siya, tapos lechon, papaitan, yun po. And then, he fell down, and then, after that, the doctor said it was a ruptured brain aneurysm. So, he got operated po, but then, thanks God, because we're taking portier placenta, while he's waiting for his operation of surgical clipping, he took the product, 6 capsules every 2 hours. Yun po yung tinitake niya. So in just 10 days po of waiting in the hospital, he consumed the 7 bottles. Wherein the 7 bottles is, the standard consume ko ng 7 bottles is good for 6 months therapy, but my husband took it only for just 10 days. So ladies and gentlemen, the product is good and it doesn't have any overdose. Kahit po mag-take tayo ng marami, wala po siyang overdose. So, kaya po kami, after that, yun nga po, nakasurvive po siya because of the, siyempre, asigan pa rin po yung naging, the healer, but naging instrument po talaga ang portier placenta for his fast recovery. Kasi usually, sabi nga ng mga doktor, the ruptured brain aneurysm is fatal. Madalang po nakakaligtas. If you will remember, Jovit Baldovino, before that, November 2022, he suffered a ruptured brain aneurysm. He just, parang tumanta na siya, nagpunta lang sa birthday ng friend niya, tapos bumirit, tumanta, and then after that, he fell down, yun po, he passed away with a ruptured brain aneurysm. So, ganun po ka-fatal. Kaya po after that, what was happened with my husband, talaga po in-embrace na namin ang culture and ang company. We make it sure na kami po, sinishare po talaga namin, kahit po saan kami pumunta, kahit po sino man-meet namin, we share the goodness of the product because ito po yung talagang nagsalba sa buhay ng husband ko through the God's mercy po and God's help. So, since then po, yun po, naging advocate na po namin ang Leeway. Kumbaga kami po, lagi kami umati ng mga trainings and then sinishare po namin yung goodness po talaga ng product. Kaya sa pagkakataong ito po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating BD. Binigyan po nila kami ng pagkakataon na ma-share po ito sa inyo. And thank you po sa aking leader, si Coach Rad Tribunsay, and si Ma'am Vivian Tribunsay, sa guidance po nila. Kumbaga sa 6 years po namin, talagang siya po yung nag-guide sa amin para po kami po ay magpatuloy sa pag-share po ng advocacy ng Leeway. Kaya sa mga po natin, yun nga po, totoo nga po na health is wealth. Napakahalaga po na ang ating kalusugan ay ingatan po natin lagi. Kaya kami po talaga, nagpapasalamat po kami, nandito kami sa Leeway International Philippines, and naging advocacy na po namin na mag-share nito. And we will continue to grow and learn in this company. So, yun lang po yung ma-share ko, and maraming salamat po sa inyo. To God be all the glory. Thank you.
So, once again, let's give a big warm very own testimony. So,